Sell fast, spend less. The smart upgrades that actually pay off.
If you're thinking about selling your home, please don't start updating everything just yet.
Because we see sellers spend thousands of dollars on the wrong things and not get that money back in the end. We're breaking down what actually makes a difference before you sell.
And what you can skip entirely. A lot of sellers think, we should update the kitchen, reno the bathroom, and replace everything.
And before you know it, you've spent $20,000, $30,000, and buyers don't even value it the way you expected. The goal isn't to make your home perfect.
It's to make it appealing to the most amount of buyers. The number one thing, and honestly the most important, is clean and decluttering your home.
We're talking deep clean, clearing off surfaces, removing excess furniture, creating space, light, and flow throughout the home.
Buyers don't buy square footage, they buy how a home feels when they walk through it.
Freshening up the paint in your home, but only if it's needed.
If you have bold colors, scuffs, or wear and tear, a fresh, neutral paint color can completely change the feel of your home.
But if your home already shows well, you don't need to repaint everything just to say that you did it.
Next up, lighting upgrades and the small details.
Burnt out bulbs, outdated fixtures, loose handles, squeaky doors. Those are the things buyers notice immediately.
Because they signal how the entire home has been maintained. And the best part, most of these are quick and inexpensive fixes.
And don't forget about the outside.
Because first impressions start before they even walk through the front door.
Fresh mulch, trim landscaping, clean walkways, a simple, inviting entry goes a long way.
And this is where we can save you a lot of money. Avoid over-improving your home for a sale in your neighborhood.
If you add high-end finishes in a mid-range area, you're not always going to get that investment back.
This is why we always walk through a home before our seller does anything.
Because we can tell you exactly where to spend your time, energy, and money, and just as importantly, where not to. We've had sellers ready to do major updates, and after walking through their home, we told them, don't do it.
They listed as is, made a few small improvements, and still had strong results.
Before you spend another dollar getting your home ready for the listing, talk with a realtor and have a strategy in place.
We're always happy to come take a look and help you focus on what actually matters.
Even if you're a few months out, this is the best time to start planning.